ne Bawumia na share boot na Bawumia nso na muyi nipa ni bi nti Bawumia ya na nka dwoma ya
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
JJ Rollins bano enye na dwuma o. Wo dwuma na no wasi for ma wo ye. Mmema kantinka mafutu kwetokwe mo kankan amwo ndisi na mo he a oba basia na gina ho se mi kodum sek uja. Ono ne fire service fo no gina nsuo num no kire soja ni we braha enti so onye ono kra na ye leader wo ye panyini member of parliament soja for kra suro na nka omu kra omu take orders because a danger zone ma omu ankasa nkwa be so omu take orders because o say wo ye panyini e wa ban mu nti o command ya am ye save nipa nkwa nti say omu so nya aboa na dwomama wo de private jet wo de helicopter na si form na wo gina wo command bia enka me gidi se kotre bakura nwu me donyame koso wonya si form a police fo a woni soja fo nkwasiafo edi wachi ne shenski fo agimi fo na osumu omu nyina mu nyina mu nkoyi omomra enka kotre bakura nwu so ho kankan selfish man na uti wiem enti kwasia we ti wiem na wahwe magana fo awu a wo koba kufu ado di anan aden no wachimi akufu ado kura be konodo what vacation bi wo UK chili o onye oni Ghana kura onye na ban na woso aden na Captain Smart wo ya boa anye jeje bana kan nipa be wu fucking five steps one ko cross da bi mun foso a yempe kodo omra jeje ba metene so anama sore o tsane president ne ya me donyame wa wanto amane bia me bodu aku. This is what we want. This is a true definition ha enti so onye ono kra na ye leader wo ye panyini member of parliament soja for kra suro na nka omu kra omu take orders because a danger zone ma omu ankasa nkwa. Bawumia na share boot na Bawumia nso na muyi nipa ni bi nti Bawumia ya na nka dwoma ya easy solution because your mama no one na buy was into oba convoy there ba no edom ni nyina tisim na obi ekọ support wa within short time obi abepie Bawumia oni na anana buy na also ti onu ne body guy keke oni omonam na omu sususom eyi nkofo esan ma omu sika krakra ti bi so your mama na eba because your mama na ntwie no oni ye de power man to oba ambulance nyina di akire enti omu hia first aid nyina ambulance no ombetimi ni omakogum da bi no kankan but helicopter no afraid dan kan yam say o chira mu mi share Thanksgiving oh mo beji say oh ya beji 20 billion oh anya hwesika na ready jo mama wuni twasre wo ha ka be power sum to wajimi say no am yam fa Bawumia say
when Akufo-Addo was being disgraced, where were you?
Director, no, don't address Kujo.
Where were you?
Don't address me. Director, address me.
You people should try me.
Director, what I'm saying is
Director, we must proceed.
Director, what I'm saying
is because of you.
Am I not big enough? Okay.
Because of who? Continue. We are not doing. Take back the charges. I am not going to do it. Let's move on to the next topic.
Oh, could you stop doing that?
No, he said you. I am not going to do it.
I said Kojo is a problem.
Don't go to court. I am ready for you people. Why am I going to court? I am ready for you people.
Director, continue to withdraw.
You people. Why would I?
I said, don't tell me in this country. No people will see.
Director, continue to redraw.
No people will see. And so hot.
They are too
and so hot.
Director,
Their lawyers are watching so hot.
Director, wait.
Do you know what I want to do to them?
Director, I'm saying that two ways. There are two ways. You withdraw it on the platform. Maybe when you get outside, you can issue the same thing. And then, because I feel you have something you're standing on. I don't know if you understand. And I'm curious too.
May I'm not someone that they can threaten and...
Director, so you withdraw
I cannot be...
They can go and fight outside.
Yeah, withdraw here on this table. Let's withdraw. I'll escort you outside. We can...
Yo, because of multimedia, I take Nanado's name out of it.
What do you want for? Assembly. One farmer sanitation bill. Anyawa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show ton na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo Pad. Saka wide. Who is a Pad na na be ye bibia mo.
About 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him.
I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him.
For 4 hours in here. Me free and past 6:30. I think 9 or 10. And then a kwaba kopa adava for namso every day. Over kwaya ewe so I was so do amasamai. I was over 30 minutes. Ube do amasamai 2 hours 30 minutes. Ada na ya na enokra tisa e kwari kaka muntu asomfa mae na do aba for yesu yanko adwuma ni yetimi nya sika me we ya ide ni amma na taxes a homo dwie no muso musanyi de mo bagina mu de mu nua mu de scan de mu di yenim munya kwa ne mae say insurance do aba for ye insurance ya license eh me ka ho road account sika bia wo mu jibi wo do aba for still e kwanya enti ani wo mu so ye be mo ya we baby ebe ko bia wasi age 5 cedi aye beje 20 cedis eno so dan tia police ni sa gira kwa so no ati driver no ajiwo o tia no paper obi bia ya adwuma o tu mu to betima ka kire wo se e bia ma scam de to e bia battery na government no e bia battery no na say light no mu use no government timi ma ho na enti bibia do ba fo ye nyamfa so dia ani e kwa we no ye demonstrate abai no ani wo man wo mu me ye kwa na ma wo mu tu aso ma ye
abusian me obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no Omo no omo bre. Ghana for na omo tie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bre. Now you see about to renchema I see one crime man tem 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiensem hunu ne nkwasiasem Captain Smart kwatena TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Jene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting ye invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by John Dramani Mamas or members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John Dramani Mama could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff a man am one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.